Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with just the essentials and begin immediately. Pick sticky notes of 3 sizes for headers, entries, and reminders. Lay a notebook flat and mark sections with a ruler so placement stays tidy. Once done, write clear short prompts on the first row of notes, date, mood, top task, and stick them in the front page. Make sure to press edges for secure adhesion. This prevents lifting when you flip pages later. Now you construct the middle of the system by making a repeatable template you can fill each day. Start with a header sticky, then place a priority sticky beneath it and time block sticks across the page. That lets you visualize tasks and appointments together. Once you understand the flow, assign colors to meanings so you can scan quickly. Make sure to leave space for a short reflection sticky. This turns the system into a diary as well as a planner. To finish each week, consolidate entries so your diary grows in a usable archive. Photograph important notes, then adhere completed notes into a binder or pastebook. Once done, refresh any faded stickies and refill your template for next week. If a note loses adhesion or peels, press it onto fresh paper or reinforce the top with a tiny strip of clear tape. This quick fix preserves writing without changing your layout. Keep a spare pad nearby to swap when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.